A pleasant day to everyone. We at Cluster 19 of Rotary International District 3830, composed of 3 clubs of Fort Bonifacio Global City with President Joan Carig, Taguig South President Grace Florendo, and Rizal Southwest President Carlito Ala, together with our amiable assistant, Governor Al Montesillo, proudly present the Cluster's Mid-Year Project Report. The Rotary Club of Fort Bonifacio Global City, with its President Joan Carig, is making its stall to share with you the most sought-after project of the club, the Eco Waste Recovery Services Material Recovery Facilities or ERS-MRF. Considered a multi-project service, enormous as it is, would result into a positive phenomenon in the future of the communities. The Eco Waste Recovery Services Materials Recovery Facilities or ERS-MRF project was conceived in May 2009 as the main project of the club. With the assistance of the community coordinators, the project was conceptualized with the collaboration of the barangays in the identified communities, who has gone a long way and has passed the meticulous taste of the club members. The project involved its partners in service, who are the Rotaracts, the Interacts, and the RCCs. Initially, the project came up with a tree planting of more than 1,000 trees donated by DENR. This was participated in by different sectors in the community. The trees were then taken care of by the youth, watering and guarding against stray animals, cleaning the Laguna Lake shore with the participation of the partners in service, and greening of the material recovery facilities are the focus of the ERS project. Location site is at Road Dike C6, Wawa Pumping Station, Taguig City. The beneficiaries upon its planning stage are the 6 barangays of Bambang, Hagonoy, San Miguel, Santa Ana, Tuktukan, and Wawa. Its objectives are to intensify the educational process and strengthen the community's effort to minimize waste by implementing effective sustainable framework and programs to achieve zero waste barangays in the city. To appreciate and achieve an ecologically sound solid waste management system in the community. Turning waste into resources by using low-cost and local technology to achieve a win-win solution for the local government and the community as a whole. This year, we have sought the assistance of various government agencies to implement Republic Act 9003, known as the Ecological Solid Waste Management Act of 2000. The law addresses the people's concern on the knowledge of waste management and at the same time provide livelihood to sustain the project. The following have committed to make this project a success: the Laguna Lake Development Authority or LLDA, the Department of Environment and Natural Resources or DENR, the Metro Manila Development Authority or MMDA, the Pasig River Rehabilitation Commission or PRRC, and the ABS-CBN Foundation Incorporated or AFI, both headed by Gina Lopez, known as the Earth Warrior, the local government of Taguig, and the House of Representative of the 2nd District of Taguig. The private sector who supports the project are Wholesome and DDC Land Incorporated, Convex Construction, and Development Corporation and Geo Summit Surveying Company. More so, project development has gone a long way. Strategic planning, meetings, discussions, and interpolations were initiated, and these resulted to better solutions to identify problems. The lead team of the 6 barangays attended series of training and seminars conducted by the known personalities in this field. Visitation to various MRF projects in Metro Manila were done as reference to the possibility of the project. Educational campaigns were also disseminated. Flyers for this effect were distributed. Clarifications and discussions were conducted. It took less than a year to develop the project site. MMDA helped in clearing the landfill using their heavy equipments. Building construction for the office of the ERS-MRF is now ongoing. The second phase would be construction of cages for waste segregation. At the moment, we are negotiating for the donation of equipment and machineries from the office of the PRRC, which will be used in the implementation of the project. To uplift the livelihood condition of the participating barangays, we came up with a slogan, May Pera sa Basura. This will entail the sustainability of the project at a certain period of time. By the product of the project will give the participants the opportunity to attain better lives and help create a zero-waste community. Tara na sa magandang kapaligiran para sa magandang kinabukasan.